juice bar and also salad bar. Anyway, today we have some grapefruit. I want to make a detoxing water because it is summer, and through it is summer we like to do things this kind of way. Keep it simple, easy, mild, and going on. Bits and pieces, you know what I mean. Welcome back again, guys. Long time I don't go in front of the camera. Bits and pieces was going on at the moment, so I kind of just chill down for a little while. Anyway, today I just want to give you an update and the detoxing water that, you know what I mean, these things do work. We have grapefruit, apple cider vinegar, and lime juice. So why not give it a try at home and see exactly what's happening in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from me and the team. Beautiful. So basically we have lemon, apple cider vinegar, and grapefruit. This is the orange grapefruit. So basically what we want to do, we want to remove the skin from the grapefruit. That's one of my recipe right now I want to do. So I'm just gonna simply remove skin from the grapefruit. Alright guys, and just gonna simple put it on inside of my container like this. So this is the way I normally do it. Now we're going to do some lemon. Lovely and nice. So that's Chef Ricardo way of doing the grapefruit water drink. Shake up my apple cider vinegar, and I gotta put a teaspoon. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I'm always giving you the best recipe ever in this whole entire world. So, as a simple little recipe, but really effective and nice, as you can see for yourself. Alright? So stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe like this, guys.